start.
Okay, right, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, perfect.
Welcome to the highlight of this Michaelmas term. I'm not saying this event is the highlight because I'm Korean or because I'm Sai's neighbor in Gangnam and went to the same high school as him. He did for a while. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Sai.
Wow, it's Oxford. Beautiful. With the Gangnam style, I'm living in a dream and I'm living in a nightmare. So, which means make a speech at the Oxford Union. This is kind of dream. But nightmare means about the next one. I gotta beat Gangnam style. I gotta beat 670 million views. I gotta beat horse riding dance. And I gotta beat the music video. All that things like toilet scenes and elevator scenes. How can I beat that elevator scene? It's so nasty, right? How can I beat that? Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the arms, very good. All right.